Okay guys, we are going to unbox the Higround Dragon Ball Z keyboard. As you can see, the front has Shenron here. We're going to go ahead and turn it over to the back. We're going to take a look at the background here. It says that it is literally with everything included in the set. It's a Higround collab with Dragon Ball Z. This is everything included. We have a keyboard, keycap puller, C cable, and switch puller. Now you can see the nice beautiful art in the background with all the Z fighters that we really love and care, from Vegeta to Goku to Gohan to even Trunks. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this right here. We're gonna go ahead and flip it over. Sorry, we're using one hand so we can get the recording for everyone. All right, wow, look at that unboxing on the top. You got Sharon saying look better up here. Okay, so what comes in here? Get a little bit of a paper talking about what the keys are and how to set everything up. Got the keyboard right in here. Let's go ahead and, oh my God, look at the artwork. You got all the Dragon Balls, the little sticker included of Higround, all the way to even some villains there. We got Cell, we got Trunks. What else comes in here? Let's take a look. This is the keycap puller and everything else. Let's take this apart. You can see everything there, and you can also see from the information, we've got the cable. Oh, and another sticker, looks like. That's pretty cool right over down there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Now we're gonna go over here and we're gonna take a look at the keyboard. Get ready, guys. Here we go. Oh, another sticker revealed there. Pretty cool. I'm gonna open this up. Don't mind if you hear the phone sticker laptop. Okay. Here we go. And boom, we got the Goku keyboard. Take a look at that. Look at that. Let's go ahead and flip it over. Take a look over here. Wow, that is incredible. This is the base keyboard, guys, all right? So let's go ahead and get a little sound test. But look at that artwork. Well, that's it for the little video, guys. Enjoy.